Lazy Daze Lifts delivers and installs from our install boat in less than 1 day in most cases. No trucks in the driveway. No equipment on your lawn. First, we position our install boat over the site the lift will be placed. We then bolt the support beams to the lower frame and drop the legs through the support beams into the water. Next, we attach manual hand cranks to the top of each leg and that are connected to the ends of the lower frame. Now it's time to move the install boat out of the way and lower the lift in place with the manual hand cranks. We mount a small manifold to the dock or bulkhead with the raise and lower levers. Then, we connect one end of a 3/4 inch hose to one of your outdoor spigots, and the other end to the manifold, holding the raise and lower lever mounted to the dock or bulkhead. We run tests to ensure everything is working properly. When the lift is in place, we check for level, secure with bolts, and remove the hand cranks.